Hey, it's Matt with McGee Farms, and we're working, getting the garden ready for the year. You can see a little bit of a cluttered mess with everything out here. But one thing we're trying this year, wanted to talk about a little bit, is we're adding rock in here, and we're going to be adding, we use the landscape fabric to try to keep weeds down, weed barrier, landscape fabric, whatever you want to call it. And I've got a different one I'm going to try this year. What we've gotten in the past pretty much has come from Walmart, Tractor Supply, Lowe's, Home Depot, and you know, it works for about a month or two, and it's nice, and then it just falls apart. The stuff, it's kind of like a mesh, or like I don't even know how to describe it. Almost like a little like a mesh almost, and it just doesn't hold up. So I ran across this stuff. I've been reading the reviews, I've been looking at videos on it. This is from DeWall. They don't sponsor me. They don't, you know, they didn't give me any to try out. I bought it with my own dime, but so far, I mean, it seems pretty sturdy. The reviews I've seen on this seem like this stuff will hold up. It's actually called driveway fabric when you buy it. I guess if you got like a gravel driveway or whatever, you can put under and it'll hold up for it. But looking at it, it seems pretty nice. Like the water is going to go through, so you know, you've got the irrigation when you need it. I've got it down here and putting some rock on top as I'm getting the grass set up. There's a couple areas around the edges that I didn't get it. I'm gonna have to try to tuck it in. But I'm also going to be planting strawberries probably within the next day or two. We got a couple of bigger beds, and I'm going to use this for strawberries, and I'm going to put it down over that and then put mulch over top of it, and just try a little different approach with the strawberries. So at the end of the year, we'll kind of see how it held up with the rock, with the strawberries, with the mulch. And same thing when I put my tomatoes in, which we're still a little early, but I'm going to go ahead and set up get a greenhouse set up right here. I've kind of got to start on it, and when I do that, probably, I mean, today's St. Patrick's Day of 2024. Usually April 29th is when you plant tomatoes, but I've got a couple. I'm going to go ahead and start planting some with a little bit of like a double greenhouse setup on it and see what happens. And I'll be sharing that with you as well. So anyway, just wanted to talk a little bit about this, and stay tuned. In about 6 months or so, I'll be making a follow-up and talking about how it's worked so far, and you know, whether it's good, whether it's junk, whether it's worth the little bit of the extra money. I'm also going to put a link to it in the comments to the Amazon store. That way you can kind of, if you're interested in some, you want to try it out. Stuff's not expensive, but it's not cheap. It was about $100 for this roll. This roll is 6 foot wide and 300 foot. So, I mean, that's going to be more than anything I need. It's Matt with McGee Farms. Hopefully you enjoy the videos. They help you out. It's gardening season, so I'm excited, and got to be sharing quite a bit of these little tips and tricks I'm learning along the way as well. If you like the videos, please consider subscribing to the channel, giving us a thumbs up, leaving a comment. It's all appreciated, and it helps the channel grow. Until next time, have a great day.